Jai Srimanarayana. 9th sloka of 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sattvam sukhe sanjayati rajah karmani bharata ಜ್ಞಾನಂ ಆವೃತ್ಯತು ತಮಃ ಪ್ರಮಾದೇ ಸಂಜಯತ್ಯುತ. ಓಂ. Realize that Sattvagunam, Rajogunam, Tamogunam, all these gunas binds you by some kind of attachment. Keep on continuously try to improve your Sattvika Gunam and keep on performing your activities as a service of Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall definitely keep on improving my Sattvika Gunam, and also I shall definitely keep on performing my activities as your service. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please guide me to act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 270th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma and Balarama, both of them, upon request of their friends, Prahasya Jagmatuhu, and while giving a nice smile to their friends, they all now started heading towards the park where Dhenukasura is there. First Balarama entered into that park and with his both hands started shaking all the trees so that all the fruits will fall down on the floor. while those fruits are falling down, phalanam patatam shabdam nisamya asurarasabha. Listening to that noise, that Dhenukasura immediately came running towards Balarama and came, and immediately, while screaming loudly, scarily, that Dhenukasura with his legs, feet, he hit on the chest of Balarama. While that Dhenukasura was hitting, then Balarama Brahmayitva Ekapanina Chikshepa. బలభద్రుండు రౌద్రాకారంబున గర్దభాసురపదంబులు నాలుగు నొక్కకేల నంటం బట్టి బెట్టు దట్టించి త్రిప్పి విగత జీవుంచేసే. When that Dhenukasura was hitting Balarama with one of his hands, he held 4 legs of that Dhenukasura and revolved with high velocity, and then threw onto one of the trees over there. When Balarama was revolving the body of Dhenukasura in the air with high velocity, that time itself Dhenukasura died. Then Balarama hit other tree with the body of Dhenukasura. When this body hit the tree also broke and fell down. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasetravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 14th chapter 9th sloka. Sattvam sukhe sanjayati rajah karmani bharata jnanamavrutya tamaha pramade sanjayatyuta. Sattvam sukhe sanjayati rajah karmani bharata jnanamavrutya tamaha pramade sanjayatyuta. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.